Best footballer in the world now.
Oh, Messi.
Best footballer ever.
Oh, jeez, Messi.
I think Messi is the best player in the world. I think he deserves it as long as he plays. I think he's still the best player in the world. Doesn't matter if he's not in the Champions League final. So.
Messi.
Messi or Ronaldo?
Messi.
Kane.
Messi or Ronaldo?
I'm going to go, if I was playing on any team on the planet, I'd bring Cristiano.
Messi or Ronaldo?
Messi.
Messi or Ronaldo?
Ronaldo?
No caso do Messi também, que é um excelente jogador, um jogador para ficar na história, não só pelas bolas de ouro que ganhou, mas um jogador que tem estado sempre no auge, ano após ano, como eu.
For me, Messi has been a gift from the footballing gods. He's just such a phenomenal talent. A player that not only beats people, that mesmerises them, produces magical moments, scores a multitude of goals. He's also an honest player. He gets kicked, he gets hacked, he gets up. He never dies. He doesn't cheat. He's just a brilliant example for footballers everywhere. And if everyone copied him, the game would be much better.
Messi or Ronaldo? Messi, because his dribbling is something else, and the way he creates goals and scores them is I haven't seen this before in my life, so Messi.
Look, I've said it before, he's the best player, not just I've played against, he's the best player I've ever seen, Messi is.
Players, who's your favourite player?
Well, I would have to say Lionel Messi.
Why?
Because he's by far the best player in the world.
Hey Steph, how long have you been a Lionel Messi fan?
I always been watching him play.
But
it's a fun debate.
What are you saying?
It's a fun
debate.
Me, I'm Messi.
Say something.
For me, it's Messi.
For me, I grew up with Maradona. Diego Maradona was my favourite player always, but I think for me, Lionel Messi is the best. Not just of this era, but of every era, the best player.
Difficult, but for me, Messi. Ronaldo or Messi? Always Messi. Just don't vote. It's difficult. Sometimes pick up between those two. Well, yeah, I prefer
The best player in the world for you now?
For me, over the five, I will go with Leo. I will go with Leo, although I respect Ronaldo a lot. I respect the amount of work he put into the game.
Everybody knows Messi, so I don't have to describe how good he is.
Real, very hard decision. I'll be very happy with either, but for me, I'd buy Messi.
I've played with Ronaldo, so I always favour him.
So I would go for Messi.
The best team in the world against the best player in the world. Messi is the best player in the world.
They're just phenomenal to watch. And people try and make comparisons of who's better, etc. Just enjoy them, man. We're lucky
very
to be in
different
this time.
If I was a manager, I would want to take Ronaldo. I think that's the best way to sum it up.
I prefer the style of Messi. It's fantastic also.
I'd go by Messi. I think as an all-round player, he's better.
What are your estimation of how it might go, and what are your feelings about the result either way?
To be honest, I think he's going to win. Messi going to win.
So, from a skill point of view, I would prefer to be Ronaldo because that's the way I've played my cricket as well.
One word though, Messi or Ronaldo? One word.
Messi.
If you had to choose between Messi and Ronaldo for a normal team, who would you choose?
Si tendría que elegir a Messi o Ronaldo, elegiría a Messi, seguramente.
If there's a couple of players that you could pick from all the time that you've managed the players, who were you most, who did you most appreciate because they improved so much or they became what you thought?
Ronaldo is the biggest improvement really because
No, I think it has to be, Messi. Obviously, people talk about the Ronaldo kind of comparison more because I played against him more, but no, I think to Mark Messi was, on his day, he was too good for me.
The best player in the world at the moment is Lionel Messi.
I think Messi makes you a better manager than Ronaldo does. I think Ronaldo asks you questions as a manager, and I think Messi answers questions as a manager.
Who's the best player in the world?
Lionel Messi. Who's the best player of all time?
Lionel Messi.
I think both players are fantastic, but in my opinion, Messi is still a bit better than Cristiano Ronaldo. They are two players that I love watching when they play. They do amazing things. They are completely better than the rest of the players in the world.
Cristiano Ronaldo is, for me, the best player in the world. I think he's a massive factor why I wanted to come here as well. I think...
He's the best player of all time. We can put him with Pele, but I never saw a boy like him, and I believe we won't see another for a long time.
Messi or Ronaldo?
My God. Messi was 5 years. He became always the best player in Europe.
Quem é melhor, Messi ou Cristiano Ronaldo?
Are you the best footballer in the world right now?
I think so, yes. In my mind, I'm always the best.
For me, the one player that impressed me the most was Cristiano when I played with him. I was fortunate to play with some of the best players we've seen in football.